This card game is called James Bond. The goal of the game is to get 4 cards of the same kind in each of your 6 piles before your opponent does. I always start with my right pile and I go in order so that I can also remember what I'm trying to gather in each pile and which pile that is. That way, if my husband puts a card on the table, I can quickly pick up the pile that it belongs in and put it there. Or if I find that I'm holding one of those cards in my other pile, I can quickly discard it and then go immediately to the correct pile. Because this is a speed game, at the first time going through each pile, if I see any matches at all with what's in the middle, I just grab it. That way I can get started on the pile. So I'm thinking through what I want in each pile, whether I'm holding any of those cards in other piles, and also watching for my husband to put down that card. This 5th pile was a bit tricky because it didn't have anything in common with any of the others. Any of the other cards in the middle, that is. But I just noticed that there was a 6 in the middle of the table, a 6 in my 4th pile, 6 in my 3rd pile, and a 6 in my 2nd pile. So this move took me a little while to complete, but since that pile didn't have any matches at all, it was worth the time to transfer all of those. I only have a few piles left to complete, so I'm watching the middle more closely than I was before, because most likely my husband has my cards. There are 3 4s in the middle of the table now, so instead of waiting for the 4th of whatever was in that pile, since I had a 4, I quickly grabbed it. Now there are 3 3s, and he just discarded the 4th 3. I could have also waited for the other card that I was missing in that pile. So I was watching for either the card I was missing or for him to discard the 4th 3 so I could quickly swipe in and grab those.